Yeah! Woo, woo, woo. All right, this is your Bombay storm chaser, Kevin LiT. Actually, in Bombay Beach. Let's get some more lightning on camera. Come on, strike, strike, strike. Just don't strike me, but. Lightning before the thunder. Getting a little bit of drizz here. Oh, there we go. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna switch to back camera only here in a moment. Those are momentous clouds. They were a little better formed earlier, but they're still gnarly looking. Boom! Woo! Let's add some strike above my home here. Let's see if another one happens. Whoa! Yeah! They're all happening about here, which is south. Boom! There we go. Woo! Boom! Those are momentous clouds. They were a little better formed earlier, but they're still gnarly looking. Boom! Whoa! Yes! Boom! All right. Yeah! Woo, woo, woo. The year before that, not much, but it's come back. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Wow! I just got pelted in the eye with like a raindrop going like 100 miles an hour. Now we're getting all it is dust in the wind. Oh shit! Okay, oh man! Boom! Oh shit! Oh, look at the beach! Oh man! Look at that! Woo! Hell yeah! Oh man! Oh man! Look at that! Woo! Bombay all day. So fucking windy. I'm trying to pan smoothly and hold it. Look at that. That storm over the montañas. Coconut days. And again, the chocolate mountains don't taste like chocolate, but they do sometimes look like chocolate. Oh. Holy shit. Bombay Beach Bunny. Oh man. Ah. Look at that. I think that's it for the lightning for a while. Now it's just going to be windy. Oh man. Look at that. Oh man. Alright. I think I'm gonna go inside for a little bit. Well, wind kind of did a number on my camp. Obviously knocked over this chimenea. Blew that surfboard around here. Somebody lost a kayak. Wasn't me. But yeah, a little bit of a mess here. Let's take a walk around and see what happened. So yeah, surfboard kind of just blew in. Chimenea, as I mentioned earlier. My little solar light up wind chimes, I'll have to fix that. Yeah, its pole blew down. Over here, it's calming down now. It's kind of like the calm after the storm. What else? Obviously solar panels, they're pretty heavy. Nothing happened to them. I had put my awning in before it got too windy. Put it back out now. Shelter from the light rain earlier. Everything else doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna take a ride through town in a little bit. And like I was saying earlier, we may or may not get a really nice sunset. If that happens, obviously, I'll be doing another episode. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the coverage of the lightning and the insane wind. Kevin LiT in Bombay Beach. Again, thanks for watching. Be sure to smash those like and subscribe buttons. I mean, don't press them, you gotta smash them. That like button and that subscribe button. Kevin LiT, Bombay Beach, California. Thanks for watching.